Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you looking for some delicious and healthy smoothie recipes that will help you achieve your fitness goals? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will share with you 5 amazing smoothie recipes that are not only healthy but also super delicious. So, let's get started. Our first recipe is a mixed berry smoothie. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, making it the perfect drink for a healthy immune system. To make this smoothie, you will need 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, 1 banana, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and enjoy your delicious and healthy mixed berry smoothie. Next up, we have a green smoothie. This smoothie is packed with nutrients and is the perfect drink for a post-workout recovery. To make this smoothie, you will need 2 cups of spinach, 1 banana, 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and enjoy your delicious and healthy green smoothie. Now, who doesn't love chocolate? Our next smoothie is a chocolate smoothie. Yes, you heard it right, a healthy chocolate smoothie. To make this smoothie, you will need 2 bananas, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and enjoy your delicious and healthy chocolate smoothie. Our fourth recipe is a tropical smoothie. This smoothie will make you feel like you're on a tropical island. To make this smoothie, you will need 1 banana, 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of mango, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and enjoy your delicious and healthy tropical smoothie. Last but not least, we have a peach smoothie. This smoothie is the perfect drink for a hot summer day. To make this smoothie, you will need 2 peaches, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and enjoy your delicious and healthy peach smoothie. And there you have it, 5 delicious and healthy smoothie recipes that will help you achieve your fitness goals. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and tricks.